Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can find this Black Panther filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. To get this effect you can visit the creator profile. Titos is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your camera tray. He's having some awesome filter. So check in his filter gallery and this is the filter Black Panther. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and tap on try to try the filter. And still if you are not finding the filter you can visit this website. Okay, let me go back first. Okay, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the link to the filter. Just tap on the link and likewise also you can get this effect. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video. Rest in peace, Wakanda King, Wakanda forever.